You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this brand name, a corporation originally from Japan. So we need to hear the Japanese pronunciation and how you can easily say it in English as well. If you want to learn brand names, small brand names that are confusing, stay tuned. Daiso is the Japanese pronunciation. Daiso, Daiso. Therefore, in English, it's not Daiso or Daiso. It's simply the pronunciation Daiso, Daiso. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.